Well, there's Mr. Jingles, guys. He's just gone in his fridge to get his prawn crackers out. Oh, I don't know why you keep him in that part, Mr. Jingles. Well, what do you have to know? Oh, you having a burger or something? He's having a look. We might want something different. Mr. Jingles, you don't want me sitting in there. Oh, brilliant. Where are you going with it, Mr. Jingles? Oh, what else you got on there? You got all sorts in there, haven't you? Oh dear. What you got here? Got some ketchup with that. Sure. Got a bit of ketchup with that, Mr. Jingles. Oh, brilliant.